Silly, this is absolutely nuts. However, things have drastically changed in recent times. The paradigm has shifted, and what was once considered an outlandish and purely fictional concept, the idea of the multiverse, has now taken center stage in serious scientific discussions. Previously, the notion of parallel universes was thought to be so absurd that it was relegated to the realm of science fiction, appearing only in late-night television shows and speculative entertainment. However, today, this theory has gained substantial traction and is now one of the dominant ideas in modern cosmology. It appears that the fundamental laws of matter may have undergone a transformation, leading to groundbreaking discoveries that challenge our understanding of reality. In a truly breathtaking and historic announcement, the CEO of Microsoft has unveiled a revelation that has sent shockwaves throughout both the technological and scientific communities. Microsoft is claiming to have accessed parallel universes using an advanced quantum artificial intelligence chip. This astonishing breakthrough has sparked intense debate and speculation about the implications of such a discovery. If true, it could revolutionize the way we perceive reality and our place within it. However, before people get too carried away with visions of interdimensional travel and direct communication with alternate realities, it is crucial to examine this claim with a critical eye. What exactly is Microsoft doing? Is it really as groundbreaking as it sounds? And most importantly, what is the catch? Microsoft has a history of making bold claims about advancements in quantum computing and artificial intelligence, but this particular announcement stands apart from anything they have previously revealed. It has ignited a worldwide conversation, raising the question: has quantum computing finally reached the point where it can unlock access to parallel universes, or is this just an incredibly ambitious and sophisticated marketing stunt designed to capture the public's imagination? To truly grasp the significance of Microsoft's claim, we must first understand the basics of quantum computing. Unlike classical computers, which rely on bits that exist in binary states, either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at the same time due to a phenomenon known as superposition. This capability allows quantum computers to perform calculations at an exponentially faster rate than traditional computers, solving complex problems that were previously thought to be impossible. When discussing parallel universes, we enter the mysterious and mind-bending world of quantum mechanics and the multiverse theory. This theory suggests that for every possible outcome of an event, a separate universe exists where that outcome has played out. For example, if you were to flip a coin and it landed on heads in this universe, there would be another parallel universe where the same coin landed on tails. While not all physicists agree with the multiverse theory, it has gained considerable attention and support from some of the brightest minds in the field, as it offers a potential explanation for many of the strange and counterintuitive phenomena observed in quantum mechanics. So, how does Microsoft claim to have accessed these parallel universes? The answer lies in their latest technological breakthrough, the quantum AI chip known as the QX1. Designed to harness the full power of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, this revolutionary chip is said to be capable of simulating highly complex systems, including alternate realities. The QX1 chip reportedly utilizes two key principles of quantum mechanics, quantum entanglement and quantum tunneling, to create simulations of parallel universes. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon in which two or more particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. Theoretically, if entangled particles could extend across different dimensions, this could provide a means of accessing or interacting with information from parallel universes. Similarly, quantum tunneling allows particles to pass through barriers that should, according to classical physics, be impenetrable. By combining these two powerful phenomena, the QX1 chip is designed to explore a vast number of possible realities and simulate potential outcomes that would be otherwise impossible to calculate using traditional computers. According to Microsoft, this technology could be used to analyze scenarios across multiple realities, leading to breakthroughs in various fields, including medicine, climate science, and artificial intelligence. The ability to predict and simulate alternative realities could provide insights that were previously unattainable, allowing scientists and researchers to explore different strategies and solutions without real-world experimentation. For instance, in medicine, this technology could be used to simulate different treatments for diseases and determine the most effective cure without having to conduct lengthy and costly clinical trials. Similarly, in climate science, researchers could test multiple approaches to combat climate change and find the most efficient way to reduce global warming. However, despite the excitement surrounding this development, there is a major catch. While the QX1 chip is an incredibly advanced tool for simulating quantum states, it does not actually provide direct access to parallel universes. The quantum states that it creates are purely theoretical, existing only within the highly controlled environment of the quantum computer itself. To put it simply, Microsoft has not developed a portal for interdimensional travel or a method of direct communication with alternate realities. Instead, the QX1 functions as a sophisticated simulation tool that allows researchers to model potential outcomes rather than interact with actual parallel universes. Many people have misunderstood Microsoft's announcement, assuming that the company had successfully opened a gateway to other dimensions. However, the reality is far more subtle and nuanced. The QX1 chip is a powerful innovation, but it does not yet enable direct interaction with alternate realities in the way that science fiction often portrays. Instead, it serves as a highly advanced computational model capable of simulating different quantum possibilities within the framework of known physics. Despite these limitations, the potential applications of this technology are nothing short of extraordinary. If further developed, the QX1 chip could revolutionize industries by allowing experts to explore countless possibilities and optimize their decisions based on simulated quantum outcomes. For example, pharmaceutical companies could use this technology to accelerate drug discovery, governments could analyze economic strategies under different conditions, and artificial intelligence researchers could enhance machine learning models by simulating multiple outcomes at once. However, there is still a long road ahead. Microsoft acknowledges that quantum computing is in its early stages and that it will likely take decades before these technologies can be widely implemented. Quantum states are incredibly fragile and are easily disrupted by external factors, a phenomenon known as decoherence. To make the QX1 chip truly functional on a large scale, Microsoft will need to overcome these significant challenges and develop methods to stabilize quantum states over extended periods. So, where does this leave us? While Microsoft's claim of accessing parallel universes is intriguing and revolutionary, the reality is that we are still in the realm of theoretical physics and experimental technology. The QX1 chip may represent a major step forward, but it is far from unlocking the mysteries of interdimensional travel. For now, it remains a powerful simulation tool rather than a gateway to other realities. Looking to the future, the QX1 chip serves as a glimpse of what may be possible as quantum computing continues to evolve. While we are not yet able to interact with parallel universes, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries remains vast. Microsoft's announcement signals an exciting step forward, but it is important to temper our expectations. We are only at the beginning of a long and unpredictable journey, one that could eventually lead to technological breakthroughs that are beyond our wildest imaginations. To summarize, Microsoft's quantum AI chip, the QX1, has the potential to simulate parallel universes using principles of quantum entanglement and tunneling. However, it does not actually grant access to these alternate realities. The technology is still in its infancy, and there are many obstacles to overcome before it can be widely applied. Nonetheless, this announcement marks an exciting milestone in the field of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, and the possibilities for the future are limitless. As with all powerful emerging technologies, ethical concerns must be considered. If quantum AI can predict multiple possible futures, who will decide which one should be pursued? What are the potential risks of using such technology for decision-making at a governmental or corporate level? These are questions that scientists, ethicists, and policymakers will need to address as quantum computing continues to develop. The future of this technology remains wide open, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of what quantum mechanics can achieve. Corporations and researchers will have to grapple with critical questions surrounding fairness, transparency, and the potential misuse of quantum simulations. The ability of these advanced computational models to process vast amounts of data at unprecedented speeds raises ethical concerns about how they might be leveraged in different industries. Could these simulations be used for financial market manipulation, giving select entities an unfair advantage? Might they be applied to political forecasting, influencing elections or public policy decisions in ways we cannot yet predict? Furthermore, there is the possibility that quantum simulations could be employed to model and predict human behavior on an unprecedented scale, raising concerns about privacy, surveillance, and manipulation. The implications of these developments are profound, as they could shape economic, political, and social landscapes in ways that are currently difficult to foresee. Another pressing concern is the accessibility of quantum computing. If only a handful of powerful corporations, governments, or institutions control this transformative technology, it could lead to a widening technological divide. Those with the financial resources to develop and operate quantum computers would gain immense influence, leaving smaller organizations, developing nations, and independent researchers at a disadvantage. This could exacerbate existing inequalities, consolidating power in the hands of a select few. To mitigate such risks, open-source initiatives and regulatory oversight may become necessary to ensure that quantum advancements benefit humanity as a whole rather than being monopolized by elite institutions. By fostering an environment of collaboration and ethical governance, society can work toward making quantum technology accessible and equitable, ensuring that its benefits reach a broad spectrum of users rather than remaining exclusive to a privileged group. As Microsoft and other leading technology companies continue their research, we may witness the emergence of practical quantum applications in unexpected areas. While much of the current focus is on fields like cryptography and secure communications, the potential for quantum computing extends far beyond these domains. For instance, energy-efficient computations could revolutionize industries such as logistics, material science, and artificial intelligence by enabling optimizations that were previously computationally impossible. In pharmaceuticals, quantum simulations could accelerate drug discovery by modeling complex molecular interactions with an accuracy that classical computers cannot achieve. The ability to simulate quantum phenomena in real time could also lead to breakthroughs in renewable energy, climate modeling, and financial risk assessment. However, despite these promising developments, the reality is that quantum technology remains in its infancy. For now, Microsoft's QX1 and similar projects are fascinating experiments rather than practical tools capable of unlocking alternate realities. But as history has demonstrated, what starts as an experimental endeavor often paves the way for revolutionary discoveries. The journey of quantum computing has only just begun, and its long-term impact on our world is still unfolding. While the recent claims surrounding quantum simulations have sparked excitement, the broader expert consensus leans toward cautious optimism rather than unbridled enthusiasm. Many specialists recognize that the bold narratives surrounding quantum advancements can help attract attention and funding, but they also caution against overstating the current capabilities of quantum technology. The distinction between theoretical simulations and practical breakthroughs is a crucial one. While advances in quantum simulation represent a promising frontier for computational science, they should not be confused with tangible applications that can immediately reshape industries. Leading voices in the field emphasize that quantum simulations have the potential to revolutionize how we model complex systems, including everything from chemical reactions and protein folding to emergent behaviors in condensed matter physics. However, these experts also stress that any claims suggesting a direct link between these simulations and the discovery of new physical realities should be met with skepticism. The ability to simulate scenarios in a controlled computational environment is vastly different from having access to novel states of matter or alternate dimensions. Several researchers have pointed out that grand claims about quantum computing often blur the lines between metaphor and measurable progress. Some argue that language evoking alternate dimensions or parallel realities is more evocative than scientifically precise. In their view, such terminology is frequently employed as a marketing strategy, intended to capture the public's imagination rather than accurately describe the state of quantum research. While companies may use imaginative concepts to generate excitement around their advancements in quantum hardware, experts caution that the road from theoretical simulation to real-world application is long and fraught with challenges. Currently, the most pressing obstacles in the field include maintaining quantum coherence, the fragile state that allows quantum bits, qubits, to perform complex calculations, and developing robust error correction protocols to ensure computational reliability. These technical challenges must be overcome before quantum computing can transition from an experimental technology to a practical tool capable of revolutionizing industries. Critics within the academic community further highlight the need for extraordinary evidence to support extraordinary claims. They advocate for a rigorous, peer-reviewed approach to evaluating assertions that hint at surpassing traditional physical boundaries. Until detailed methodologies and experimental data are made publicly available and scrutinized by the scientific community, many experts remain skeptical about overinterpretation. They argue that while quantum simulations provide valuable insights into theoretical constructs, they are inherently constrained by the assumptions and limitations of the models on which they are built. Consequently, while quantum computing may one day unlock profound new discoveries, it is essential to separate hype from reality and ensure that scientific progress remains grounded in empirical evidence. On a more optimistic note, some experts believe that high-profile announcements, even if exaggerated, serve a valuable purpose in accelerating research and innovation. Public interest in quantum computing can drive increased investment, encouraging governments, academic institutions, and private enterprises to dedicate more resources to the field. This influx of funding and collaboration could help overcome some of the technical barriers currently limiting quantum technology. The excitement surrounding these developments acts as a catalyst, inspiring new generations of scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of what is possible. Incremental improvements in quantum hardware, software, and algorithms could ultimately bridge the gap between laboratory prototypes and practical, scalable technologies. Beyond the technical aspects of quantum computing, there is also a growing discussion about its broader ethical and societal implications. The rapid advancement of quantum technologies raises important questions about accountability and control. As quantum simulations become more powerful, they could be used to model a wide range of real-world scenarios with unprecedented accuracy. In medicine, for instance, they might enable highly personalized treatment plans based on genetic data. In finance, they could optimize investment strategies with a level of precision beyond what is possible today. In environmental science, they could provide predictive models for climate change mitigation. However, with such capabilities come concerns about who will have access to these technologies and under what regulatory frameworks they will be governed. If left unchecked, quantum simulations could be exploited for unethical purposes, such as manipulating markets, influencing political decisions, or infringing on individual privacy. Therefore, it is imperative that technological progress be coupled with thoughtful policies and ethical oversight to ensure that quantum advancements are used responsibly. In conclusion, while recent claims about quantum simulations have undoubtedly captured headlines, the expert community urges a balanced perspective. The excitement surrounding cutting-edge quantum computing is tempered by a clear understanding of the scientific process, which requires bold claims to be substantiated through rigorous experimentation and peer review. As research continues, it is evident that the true potential of quantum technology will unfold gradually, rather than in sudden, dramatic leaps. While there are many challenges to overcome, experts remain united in their belief that the journey toward practical quantum applications will be transformative. The ongoing dialogue between innovators, researchers, and policymakers will play a crucial role in shaping the responsible development of this field. If guided by careful stewardship and ethical considerations, quantum computing has the potential to redefine multiple industries and improve the human experience in ways we are only beginning to imagine.